Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's see how to install the new features in Power BI. Okay, so let's get started. Guys, so in our previous video on Power BI playlist, we have seen like how to install the Power BI software. We have downloaded the software and we have also installed the particular Power BI software. Okay. So once we install that Power BI software, it's very much necessary to keep updated with the new features which are available in Power BI. So it's not about only Power BI. Whenever you have any software, the software keeps updating every few weeks or a few months, and some software keeps updating frequently. If you check your mobiles or if you check your any other devices, sometimes you might get some notification some new updates are available. So would you like to keep updated with the software, especially when you are using a Windows laptop? You keep getting the notifications the new updates are available. Okay, so in the same way, like whenever you are using the Power BI software, it's very much necessary to keep updated with all the features, the new features in the Power BI. Okay, so today in this particular video I will show you in a simple way like how to keep updated with the Power BI software with all the new features which are being released in Power BI. Okay, so before we begin our main topic, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel and please press the bell notification icon to get all updates related to my YouTube channel. Okay, so let's get into our main topic, how to install the new features in Power BI. Okay, so first let me try to open that particular software, Power BI software. So in our previous video we have already installed this Power BI software. So now what we'll do is we'll see in a simple way how to update the new features which are available in Power BI. Okay. So here you can see various options like home, insert, modeling, view, optimize, help, and all. Okay. So we'll try to understand all other features and whatever the things which are there in Power BI. We'll try to understand everything step by step in the coming videos, but today in this particular video we'll see how to install the new features which are in Power BI. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to go to file, click on file option. So here you can see options and settings. So here you can see options and settings, click on that particular option. So here you can see options. So once you click on that options, so here you can see preview features. So just click on that. So once you click on that preview features, so here you can see so many options like shape, map, visual, Q&A for live connect analysis, services, databases, Azure map visual, Power BI desktop infrastructure update. Okay, so here you can see the list of updates which are available to your Power BI software. Okay, so whenever you are using a Power BI software, suppose if you check this particular preview features options once in a while, like once in a week or once in a 2 week or once in a month or once in a day, if you check and if there is any other new features which are available to your Power BI's software, so here it will show. So you need to select that particular feature. So once you select that particular feature, you can just click on this OK option. So once you click on that, you need to restart the Power BI software. So once you restart your Power BI software, so whatever the new features which you have selected, that will be installed to your Power BI software. Okay, so but never forget to restart that Power BI application once you have selected that particular feature and you have clicked on OK. Okay, because restarting is very much necessary once you have selected the new features which you want to update to your Power BI software. Okay, so this is how you install the new features to your Power BI software. Okay, so
That's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in it all. Thank you. Bye bye.